Hello students, today we are going to do integers, which is exercise 1A in your book. So first of all, let us first understand the concept about integers. So integers are three types of number. Number one, all counting numbers. So all counting numbers, we may call them as natural numbers. Plus 0, natural number, you see this side, plus 0, plus all the negative numbers. All these three together makes what we call a set of integers. Once more, counting numbers, natural numbers, 1 onward, 0 and negative number gives us integer, which is represented in set notation, which you will see either by I, because integers first letter is I, or Z, and this is how we put it in tabular form in sets. Second, we see how we are going to represent this integers on a number line. So what we do, we draw a line, and both the side it goes to this side, it goes to positive infinity, this side it goes to negative infinity and 0. So both side it goes down up to infinity, and this is how we represent an integer on a number line. Next few very important thing, student, we are going to see is that integers to the right, which are to the right, like 3, and if you see minus 2, so those which are towards the right are greater than on the left. So definitely 3 is greater than minus 2. Okay, then if you see between two negatives, the difference between minus 1 and minus 3, see 3 is greater than 1, but minus 1 is greater than 3. See, 3 is greater than 1, but minus 1 is greater than minus 3. So when we move to the negative side, student, the right ones are bigger than the left one. So here 3 is greater than 1, it's ordinary common sense. But minus 1, don't see 1 and 3, minus 1 is bigger than minus 3 since it occurs on the right side. Similarly, every negative integer, integers on the left, so right are bigger than the left and left are smaller than the right. And next thing is every negative integer is less than 0. All these numbers, minus 4 is less than 0. If you read this side, 0 is greater than minus 4. Okay, 0 is greater than minus 4. 0 is greater than all the negative integers. And this way, if you can write where the mouth is open, that side is bigger. So 0 is bigger than minus 4, 0 is bigger than minus 4. So numbers on the left are less than 0, and numbers, every positive integers means those which are towards the right are bigger than 0. One very important new concept we learn, which is also applicable in physics, which is a branch of science, you will see. So absolute value or modulus, or in short we call it mod. So what it is, mod with two parallel lines inside, if it is minus 9, so mod of minus is also plus. Mod of minus 9 is 9, minus 3 is 3, and mod of 5 is 5. So positive remains positive, whereas negative becomes positive. Just in short, I'll tell you, sometimes it is also called magnitude. Magnitude means the mean value. Suppose this is more applicable in physics also. You will see, you walk towards this side, we call it plus 3. If you go, displacement is towards the right, you go plus 3. If you come back, we go 3 kilometer only, minus sometime it indicates opposite direction. So we walk here also, suppose 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, we walk 3 kilometer. But in terms of absolute terms, that is mod, modulus, how much we have walked? 3 kilometer. So negative sometimes is gives you direction, that is opposite direction, but the magnitude, the main value remains 3 whether you walk 3 kilometer this side or you walk 3 kilometer this side. Maybe we call it minus, sign is there, but the absolute or modulus of minus 3 is 3. Okay, so with this concept, student, we will start doing the exercise. So if you want to copy this, please pause the video and copy it, then we will move to the sums. So the very first sum, we will see that we have to find integers between two given numbers. So what we will see is integers between, so if you see the first exercise, question 1, we see write the integers between very first sum minus 9 and 3, minus 3 and minus minus 5 and 2. So here if we want to understand, this is minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. Okay, and this is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So if you see here between minus 9, so the answer for this is what are the integers between minus 9 and 3? It is minus 8, minus 7. So between these two, what all integers are there? Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. These are the answers between minus 9 and minus 3. Next is between minus 5 and 2. So see here, between minus 5 and 2, what all integers we have? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. So question 1, we saw how we have to find integers between two given integers. Next question 2 we have, you will see, compare. So we have to compare between two integers, minus 16 and minus 61. So boys, if you draw number line, minus 61 will be here, minus 60, then it will go, then finally you will have here somewhere minus 17, minus 16, okay, minus 15, and it will go towards the positive side after 0. So here if you see, minus 16 is towards the right, this is towards the right of minus 16 is to the right of minus 61. So one which is towards the right is bigger than the one which is towards the left. So you draw here number line this side 0 and less than 0. So what you will see, this is to the left, minus 16 is to the right, so right side are bigger, so minus 16 is bigger, or opposite left side are smaller. Second we have minus 236 and minus 362. So if you same way you plot, you will see minus 236 is bigger than minus 362 because this number is to the right of this. So right side numbers are greater, as I told you. Okay. Next we have Question number 3, where we'll do few more sums, then see, we have modulus sum 20 minus 11. Let me copy all the questions. Then so what we see, student, here there is mod sign. 20 minus mod minus 11. Okay, let us solve. See, as I gave you the concept, 20 minus will remain. I told you mod of minus becomes plus. Mod of minus becomes plus, so we get this as 9. Minus 23 will become 23. Minus remains. See, what sign is outside the mod will remain same. Inside the mod, minus becomes plus. So this will be a 7. This is minus 137. This will remain plus. So this question minus will become plus. This will become plus. Minus mod is plus, and then 13. So this becomes 150, and this minus remains, and this becomes plus 4. So this minus becomes plus. So inside modulus, minus becomes plus. This is what you see. There is no other difference between other subtraction and this addition or subtraction. Only inside modulus, minus becomes plus. So hence we have this concept of modulus. So last few questions we will see. Number 4, where we have to arrange the numbers in ascending or descending. So fourth question is ascending order. Ascending order means we go from small to big. You can draw a diagram here, small to big. So this is what we call ascending. So we have first example, minus 9, 11. You have to see the sign properly. Okay. Smallest one here, boys, you will see is minus 37, minus 23. So from small to big, this is the smallest, then this. Then we have this, we have done, this we have done, minus 9, minus 5, then negative numbers done. Then next we have 0, 11, 41. 0, then we come to 11, then 41. Next question is minus 2, 12, minus 2, 12, minus 43, 31, 7, minus 35, minus 10. So here if you see ascending order, what do we get? The smallest number, if you see, is minus 43. Then we have minus, please put a tick mark because you will know that number we have written it down. Minus 35, minus 10, minus 2. Then next comes 7, 12, 31. 7, 12, 31. So this was ascending order. Remember, ascending order is always You can remember like this, going up from small to big, ascending. And the very last question we will see is descending order. Descending order, student, you can draw very similar diagram like this. So question number 5 is, we have descending order. Descending order means from big we descend, from up to down, big to small. So here we have question number 1, minus 26, 16, minus 40, minus 5, minus 13, 6 and minus 1. So minus 40, minus 5, minus 13. So the biggest number, descending order. So the biggest number here I see is 16, then 6, 16, 6, then minus 1, minus 1, minus 5, minus 13, minus 26, minus 40. The third one here is minus 31, so when you write the question, boys, you have to be very clear that you don't copy anything wrong. If your question is wrong, your whole answer will go wrong. So boys, here we have minus 31, minus 13, minus 49, 437, minus. So we have the biggest number here. So you write descending order is the biggest number 37. Then I see all are negative 4. Then next, if you see, so we are coming from right to left. The bigger one is to the right in the number line, to the left. 4 minus 9 minus 13 minus 31 minus 49 and minus 52. So what we see here, we have ascending and descending order. Here we go from small to big, small to big. You see, answer is here small to big, and here we come from descending big to small. So this is all about our chapter 1A. Thank you, boys. Please do practice once more. The more you practice, the better you will be. Thank you.